The Trump administration has temporarily halted green card processing for certain refugees and asylees, leaving thousands in uncertainty. The move is the part of the White House's broader immigration crackdown, with the Department of Homeland Security citing fraud prevention, public safety, and national security concerns as reasons for the pause. The suspension affects refugees already approved for U.S. entry and asylees who want protection through immigration courts. The U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services stated that additional screening measures are being implemented but provided no timeline for when processing will resume. Advocacy groups have condemned the freeze, calling it an attack on vulnerable populations. Legal experts warn that prolonged delays could leave many stuck in limbo, unable to work or reunite with family. With no clear answers from the administration, affected immigrants now face an uncertain future in the U.S.